Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. The top stories this hour. Finally, Sardina gets ticket for South Goa seat for Lok Sabha poll. North Goa confusion still continues. BJP demands CBI inquiry into SEZ scam. Rapon Karancha Equard and other coastal organization give 10th April as deadline to government to save their houses. Threatens to lay their lives if their houses are touched. And Sporting Club de Goa draw with Mahindra United. I-League leaders Churchill Bros drop points against Air India. Now the news in detail. On Saturday night, after a long wait, Sardina was declared as candidate for South Goa for Lok Sabha polls. With this decision of High Command, Churchill's dream to see her daughter Velanka Alemau as candidate for South Goa remains as dream only. However, North Goa seat is allotted to NCP where candidate is yet to be finalized.
Sardina expressed his happiness over re-nomination of Congress candidate in South Goa.
See, it is very good for people to aspire to be a contender or even to be a member of parliament. There is nothing wrong. Every man is free in democracy. But I'm sure when now the name has been declared and then I'm wearing the shoes of election in the name of Congress, I'm sure everybody will fall in line and everybody will work for the candidate. And I'm sure like last time, I will win with the support of the public and the party with a thumping majority.
Earlier, the height of speculation went on such a high scale that by Friday evening it was Babu Asgaokar's name considered as proposed Congress candidate for Lok Sabha.
एक तर माझे काम लोकांपर्यंत पावल्ले हा अशें एक तर दिसून येता आनी लोकांकडल्यान म्हाजे कडल्यान अपेक्षा हा आनी म्हाजें दर्गेचें काम पळोवन तर लोकांक चडांत चड अपेक्षा वाडलेली हा की गोंयांत बरें पावचें म्हणून. पण ही म्हाका जी ऑफर आयल्या ती राष्ट्रीय काँग्रेस म्हणून आयिल्ली आसा आनी हांवें तांकां सरळ सांगलेलें आसा की राष्ट्रीय काँग्रेस म्हणून हांव रावूं शकना म्हणून. ही काँग्रेसीन जेन्ना म्हाजे कडेन ऑफर येतली तेन्ना तेजे बद्दल विचार करे. काँग्रेसीन जेन्ना दितले तेन्ना हांव म्हाकाय कॉन्फिडन्सान सगळ्यांक घेवपाक जाय, म्हाज्या कार्यकर्त्यांक, म्हाज्या लोकांक, आनी मागीर फुडें विचार करपाक जाय हेजे बद्दल. आनी आमचे काँग्रेसी कडेन खुबशे कॅन्डिडेटय आसा, बरे बरे कॅन्डिडेट आसात. राष्ट्रीय काँग्रेसीन म्हाजे बद्दल नांव घेतलें तेंचें व्हडलेंपण म्हणटा हांव.
Though the Congress has declared Sardina as South Goa candidate for Lok Sabha poll, but it was a long wait for people of Goa. Earlier this month, on 1st of March, Chief Minister Digambar Kamath said that candidate will be declared within 5 to 6 days.
That will be decided by CEC, Central Election Committee. 4-5 दिसांनी जातलें मीटिंग. 4-5 दिसांनी जातलें.
GPCC President Subhash Shirodkar assured that candidate will be known by 7th of March.
किती झाला सर लोकसभा इलेक्शन कोणा डिक्लेअर बी केलं
अजून जाऊ ना आता. हॅलो,
हां
स्क्रीनिंग कमिटी मिटिंग जाल्या मुखाल्ल्या आता परत हे उरल्या सीएसी उरल्या.
त्यांनी थंय डिसाईड जातले की
सीएसी साधारण 7 तारखे जातले.
Another assurance from Subhash Shirodkar.
साधारणशे म्हजे हिसपान 7 तारखेक सांजचे किंवा 8 तारखेक लोकसभे खातीर 2 जे जागे आसात ते जाग्या खातीर कॅन्डिडेट्स काँग्रेस पक्षाचे डिक्लेअर जावपाक शक्यता आसा.
On March 11, Subhash Shirodkar went on to say that there is lot of time for election.
आता हे दोन्ही जाग्यां संबंधी आमचे कॅन्डिडेट्स ठरूंक जाय. म्हाका दिसता अजून खूब वेळ आसा तसो, कारण इलेक्शन्स आमचे हांगसर आसा ते 23 एप्रिलाक आसा आनी 28 तारखेक नोटिफिकेशन, ह्या म्हयन्याच्या 28 तारखेक नोटिफिकेशन घेतलें. तर त्यामुळे अजून एक मुखाल्ल्या 1-4-5 दिसां जर ठरले जर जाय जाल्यार तातूंत कांय वायट ना. मध्यंतरी आमची मिटींग दिल्लीक जावन ते ठरपा आशिल्लें, पण थंय कांय अडचण आयिल्ले कारणान ही मिटींग पोस्टपोन जाल्ली आसा. एखादी शुक्रार शेनवाराक ही बैठक म्हणजे सेंट्रल इलेक्शन कमिटीची बैठक दिल्लीक जावंक शकता, पण त्या संबंधी अजून कांय निरोप येवं ना आनी त्या अनुसार निरोप येना फुडें आमी परत प्रेसा कडेन येतले आनी जनतेक कळयतले.
Every individual related and interested in politics was waiting for Congress to declare their candidates, but our politician's statement punctured the thrill attached with the speculation.
No, it is vote for party. Candidate is not that important for parliament seat. It is always vote for party.
So as far as BJP is concerned, our decision or our policy is exactly opposite.
Hare Baba, Hare Baba, Hare Baba.
Again on 20th March, Shirodkar cleared that candidate would be declared within 2 or 3 days. On Saturday night, only one candidate of South Goa was declared. However, candidate of North Goa is yet to be declared.
I think Congress party maybe within under 2 or 3 days will announce the candidates for both the seats. That's what I feel.
Hare Baba. Any party which is a national party has a high command, and the high command always decides what is to be done. So like that, the Congress has left to their high command. They have suggested their names. We also have left to our high command. We have also suggested some names. But nothing has happened. Now, are they coming together? Are they not coming together? Is Shiv Sena coming in the picture? Is SP coming in the picture? Is the third front coming in the picture? We don't know these. Every day we are reading something. But where we know what is happening? Nobody is telling us. I'm sure that the high commands are discussing among them.
BJP on Saturday demanded CBI inquiry into the alleged scams of GIDC, which runs to tune of Rs 135 crores. This demand of BJP comes after recent report of Comptroller and Auditor General, which cites irregularities on part of GIDC in allotting land for SEZs in Goa.
We demand that this full matter be referred to CBI. Yeah. If it is not done, हांव आतांच सांगता, आमी आमचो जो एक्सरसाइज थांबयल्लो SEZ सरकारान कॅन्सल केला म्हणून, now it is very clear that we have to move forward to file cases against concern for criminal investigation, because the losses have been confirmed by Comptroller Auditor General to the extent of 135 crores. It is a huge amount.
The report of Comptroller and Auditor General observes that though the state's SEZ policy assigned no specific role to the Goa Industrial Development Corporation, the corporation allotted 38.41 lakh square meters of land to 7 SEZs.
So, no, 94, 95 is for SEZ. The rest 40 is on various other activities and lafdas of GIDC. This is 135 crores. सरकार दिवचे दितले काय दिवचे ना, दीत जर तूं जाल्यार दिगंबर कामती पर्यंत सगळे जाण भितर शिरकतले. त्यावेळेस सरकार दिवचे ना, पण our demand keeps the case alive, and as and when we are in power, we will see that the concerned people will be taken care of. सध्या कोर्टाने वचूंक शकता.
Parrikar also said that they would be writing to Election Commission for removal of Information Director Minino Paris, as he had called meeting of all newspapers to decide policy on advertisement. As per Parrikar, this is violation of Code of Conduct. When asked about the stand of Congress in supporting casinos, Parrikar alleged that he suspects of some congressmen having partnership in casino business.
Congress is they are with casinos. They are with casinos. They are casinos. They themselves are casinos. I am suspecting some of them have partnerships. Some of them have partnerships. Really, they are giving them. ज्या पद्धतीन ते protect करतात पळय कॅसिनो, ताचे वयल्यान was also employing a lot of people.
Our reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandolkar and Sachin Amroskar.
It's time for a short break. After the break, we will see Raponkara's ultimatum to government and why Lutoli and Verna residents are not happy with Alex Equera's 20-point housing project.